Welcome to this modern chocolate manufacturing facility. Today, we will take you through the complete step-by-step process of how cocoa beans are transformed into smooth, delicious chocolate. Every scene you are about to see takes place inside one continuous automated production line. Our journey begins at the receiving area, where large trucks arrive carrying heavy sacks of raw cocoa beans. Workers unload the sacks and pour the beans onto sorting tables. Here, skilled workers carefully inspect the beans and remove any impurities, stones, or damaged beans. From sorting, the beans enter an industrial cleaning machine that removes dust and foreign particles. Next, the cleaned beans travel into a massive roasting drum. Inside the drum, the beans are roasted at precise temperatures, bringing out their deep chocolate aroma and flavor. Once roasted, the beans are cooled on a stainless steel conveyor. Then, they enter a cracking and winnowing machine, which breaks the beans and separates the shells from the cocoa nibs. These nibs are the pure essence of chocolate. The nibs now move into a heavy grinding machine. As they grind, they slowly turn into a thick, warm cocoa paste. This paste is further refined under steel rollers, creating a smoother liquid known as chocolate liquor. Next, ingredients such as sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter are added into a large mixing tank. Industrial mixers blend everything together into a rich, creamy chocolate mass. This mixture then enters the conching machine, a long process that smooths the texture and improves the flavor. Once conching is complete, the silky chocolate flows through a fine filtration system that removes any remaining lumps. The liquid chocolate then enters the tempering machine. Here, it is carefully cooled and reheated to achieve the perfect glossy finish and snap. Tempered chocolate now moves to the molding section. Conveyor belts guide empty molds under automated nozzles that pour liquid chocolate into each mold. The molds shake on vibrating tables to remove trapped air bubbles. Then they travel through a cooling tunnel where cold air solidifies the chocolate. When the molds exit the tunnel, workers remove the hardened chocolates and place them onto trays. Some chocolates pass through decoration stations, where robotic arms add patterns or toppings. The finished chocolates now enter the wrapping stage. Bars are wrapped in shiny aluminum foil and then covered with branded outer packaging. Each bar is weighed, checked for defects, and inspected under bright LED lights. Next, boxes are filled automatically with wrapped chocolate bars. A sealing machine tapes the boxes shut, and a printer adds batch numbers and production dates. The boxes then pass through a shrink wrap tunnel for final protective sealing. Finally, robotic palletizers stack the boxes neatly onto pallets. These pallets are wrapped tightly and moved into the warehouse using forklifts. From here, the chocolates are shipped to stores around the world. This is the complete journey of how cocoa beans are transformed into delicious chocolate using modern machinery, strict quality control, and advanced automation. Thank you for watching.